In today's video, we're going to talk about how to get to a static drawdown with Take Profit Trader. But first, I want to remind you guys right now, Take Profit Trader is having a 30% sale off all their evaluation accounts, and best yet, no activation fee. So if you click on the link in the description box down below, it'll bring you to a page just like this. You can simply click right here where it says Epitome. It'll copy the promo code to your clipboard and be ready to use at checkout. Or you can just simply type in code Epitome and ensure you always get the best deal with Take Profit Trader. So you're probably asking yourself, Mike, what in the world is a static drawdown? Because when I come over and look at the different account sizes, what do we see? We basically see where it says EOD, meaning end of the day, trailing drawdown. I don't see anything about a static account anywhere. And this is something that we were talking about today on the live stream. And if you guys don't want to miss the next time I go live, make sure you're subscribed and you have the bell notifications turned on for all. Now, as we scroll down and look at some of the different rules within Take Profit Trader, they have three different categories. We have the test category. We have the pro account, which is simply where we get paid from being in a live sim account. So you get paid on your profits, anything over the buffer. Then you have what's called the pro plus account, where you actually get a bigger portion of the profit split. We get a 90-10 split, and and this is an actual live account where the orders are actually routed to the exchange. So when we come down here and we start looking at the drawdown, the only two different types of drawdown that I see is end of the day drawdown and intraday drawdown. I don't see anything about a static drawdown. Now, before I actually talk about the static part of the drawdown, there's a couple things that we need to know about first. And this is where the trader on the live stream today had the question. They said, Mike, if I make a withdrawal from my account, and keep in mind, in order to make a withdrawal out of the account, you must be above the buffer requirement. The buffer requirement essentially, or the buffer zone, is equal to the maximum drawdown amount. So if we come back over here and we look at the different account sizes, and the two most popular account sizes being the 50K and the 150K account. In the 50K account, the buffer is essentially going to be $2,000. That is your total drawdown amount. In the 150K account, the end of the day drawdown is $4,500, which is also the buffer zone, which means anything above and beyond that level, you are then able to go ahead and request a payout, anything above that buffer zone. And here's the question the trader actually had. And for this example, I'm going to pull up one of my most recent tests that I passed out here with Take Profit Trader. This is going to help illustrate the concept of a static drawdown. Now, in blue, this is our actual drawdown amount. In the 150K account, the drawdown started at $4,500 and $500. Why at that price? Well, it's essentially $4,500 from the 150K account size. Just like with the 50K account, your drawdown is going to start $2,000 below that account. So in a 50K account, your drawdown will start at $48,000. Now, I want you guys to understand how the drawdown is actually ratcheting up. You can see on day number one, I actually bring the account to $154,350. So that means I essentially made $4,350 on day number one. And we see the drawdown is essentially $4,500 below that price point. Then we can see on day two, I made a little bit more, bringing the total account balance to $154,900. Now, what I want you guys to understand with the drawdown, and this varies within different prop firms. For instance, Apex, the drawdown continues to trail you all the way up in the evaluation phase, but then once you're in a funded account, it'll stop once you've met your drawdown requirement plus $100. So in this case, and this works for the test account as well as the funded account stage with Take Profit Trader. Once the drawdown has moved up $4,500, meaning I've had $4,500 of drawdown, notice once the drawdown hits $150, as I continue to make profit throughout the remaining of this challenge, we can see that the drawdown essentially stopped at $150,000. This essentially is now making it a static drawdown. This is kind of equivalent to what we would see in a live account, meaning that in a live account, your drawdown is essentially whatever you have left after you've already put up the margin for the trade. The drawdown is not going to keep ratcheting up every day as you make profit. So if you want to go ahead and get to a static account with Take Profit Trader, all you would have to do, in this case, the 150K account, is make $4,500, which is equal to your total drawdown amount. If you're trading the 50K account, you have to make $2,000. Then the drawdown goes into a static drawdown. With a 25K account, once you make $1,500, you then have a static drawdown. In the 75K account, Once you make $2,500, you then have a static account. And in the 100K account, once you have made $3,000 of profit, you then have a static drawdown in your account. Now, let's talk about the question that the trader asked today on the live stream. They said, Mike, what happens if I go ahead and request a payout? And let's go ahead and use this as an example. Let's say that right here, their account balance was at $155,923.75. We got to do a little bit of simple math real quick. Since anything over the buffer, they can go ahead and withdraw. Then we can see right here, we have now made $5,923.75. Well, anything above $4,500 could then be withdrawal. So the question was, Mike, in this example, if I were to withdraw $1,423 from the account, would I then go back to a trailing drawdown type of an account? And the answer is no. The drawdown, once it reaches the static stage, no longer will ratchet up, regardless if you take money out or if you continue to make profit. As you make more and more profit, you can see the distance to where your drawdown amount is, where you get knocked out, actually increases, which gives you more and more of a buffer, which makes it a lot easier to keep this account for a much longer period of time and hopefully continue to get multiple payouts on a regular basis. Now, if you guys like to learn the differences between Take Profit Trader's Pro account versus the Pro Plus account, then make sure to watch this next video right here.